walking down a rail, trying to reach the light. Looking down the cliffs, shining blue in my mind. Should I walk through into the light? Should I mix black and blue tonight? So dark, I find it so confusing to fall back into dark for some black. Changes all my thinking, leaves a gap in my soul. Black and blue.